Good afternoon, Year 9. Today we're going to be looking at whether or not Dunkirk was a triumph or disaster. There is a PowerPoint and a Word document for you to use. So first things first, if you open up the Word document, you will use it alongside the PowerPoint. I put the date in the title for you. You'll start off going to watch a clip, write down 4 things you learn about Dunkirk, and decide how reliable you think this film trailer is. Now, the first thing to know about Dunkirk is a beach in northern France, quite close to England. In 1940, the entire British army got stuck here. The Germans, the Nazis, represented by these flags here, had cornered the British army here, and about 400,000 men were stuck on this beach. And the worry was that they'd all be killed or taken prisoner, and that would be obviously very bad for the British. And the question is, they were evacuated, they were taken away, and they were brought home. And whether we think that it was a great success for the British or if it was a failure, because it did mean surrendering France to the Nazis. So you're going to firstly click on this clip here and open link. You're going to watch this trailer. It's very good film. Some of you might have seen it. Enjoy that. And you're going to tell me 4 things you learned about Dunkirk from that trailer. And then you're going to look at the next side and you're going to think about how reliable this film is and use that to answer this question here. And you can use some of the words here. Now, I've used this word about the provenance because we've got to decide whether, according to the nature, so it was a film designed to make money, it made a lot of money. The origin, it was filmed in America and a bit in Britain, and the purpose of it. So think carefully about each of those. Do you think it's very reliable, quite reliable, to a certain extent, not very, or limited? You're then going to write down your 2 key words and put those here. And you're then going to read some information about Dunkirk. So, even though the British had to leave France to be occupied by the Germans, the rescue was seen as a triumph. However, some said it was a disaster. And I want you to think about, why do you think the British government might have wanted to show it as a triumph in 1940? It's the middle of the war, it's still going on. Why do they want to make it look like a positive thing? I've then got 2 different sources, and you are going to complete some information on each one. So if you scroll down here, you will see that there are sources in here with some boxes. You are going to insert a text box, which I can't find on here, but if you download it, you'll be able to find it. So you're going to insert a text box and write your answers in there. So what is the tone? Is it a positive or is it negative? The nature, origin and purpose. So I might say, for example, it came from England and it was written at the time. Why do you think it was written? So perhaps it was trying to keep spirits up in England, and how useful, valuable it is. And for that, think back to these words here. Is it very valuable, reliable, all that sort of thing? You're then going to do the same with this source, which is quite different. Once you've read both those, you're going to answer these 5 questions. So why do they have different interpretations? Which of these sources are more reliable? Does this source have value, etc., etc.? And then you have a homework task beneath. So please enjoy. If there are any questions, please let me know. Thank you.